Hello friends, today we will discuss about GST, Goods and Services Tax. But before that we need to know what is the tax. Tax is the money which is paid to the government. It is imposed on your income, business profit, cost of goods and services and the transactions, so that the government can use this money in public interest and to pay off the national debts. There are actually two types of taxes. One is direct tax and other is indirect. GST will replace all indirect taxes, which includes excise duty, service tax, additional duty of custom, VAT, sales tax, central sales tax, entertainment tax, luxury tax, etc. So the question is, how GST is different from the current taxation system in India? I'll explain this with a simple example. Consider a simplified tax rate of 10% at each level. There are generally 4 levels: manufacturer, distributor, wholesaler and retailer. Manufacturer buys raw material, let's say of rupees 50, and manufacture the product, which adds 50 rupees value to it. So the product becomes of 100 rupees. And for selling this product, he needs to pay 10% tax, which is 10 rupees. So the cost of product for distributor is 110 rupees. The distributor add value of rupees 20, which is nothing but his profit. So the price will become 130. Distributor also sells it by adding 10% tax of rupees 13. So the product is of 143 rupees now. Wholesaler follows the same pattern and the price will become 143 plus 20, that is 163, and 10% tax, which is of rupees 16.3, and sells it for 179.3 rupees to the retailer. Then the retailer adds 20 rupees profit and the price will become 199.3. The consumer buys this product from retailer by paying 10% tax on 199.3, that is 19.93 rupees. So the final consumer price is 219.23. This is how the current taxation system works in India. Now we will take the same example in GST system. Raw material of 50 rupees and the manufacturing value of rupees 50 make the product of 100 rupees. But this time the manufacturer has to pay taxes on the value added by him, which is rupees 50. So he pays 10% of 50, which is 5, as tax from his profit. But the selling price will not increase and the cost of product for distributor is 100 rupees only. Then the distributor adds 20 rupees profit and the product becomes of 100 plus 20, which is 120 rupees. He pays the tax of rupees 2 on his profit of 20 rupees. The wholesaler buys the product for 120 rupees and follow the same pattern, adding 20 rupees his profit, and price will become 140 and pays the tax of rupees 2 on his profit of 20 rupees. Retailer buys the product for 140 rupees, add profit of 20 rupees, pays the taxes of 2 rupees on his profit of 20 rupees and raise the final consumer price to 160 rupees. So if the prices are compared, the product is 59.23 rupees cheaper in GST system than the current system.